Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Tangled Branches, chapter 25. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Jiangshu, it seems that she understands what's happening. Well, she becomes speechless. After Jiryu knows that, well, she keeps staring on hers and said, how could I flirt out that? Well, I just haven't figured out the words yet. It must be because I wasn't stirred. No, it makes sense. That's not what I meant. Jiangshu said to Jiryu. Well, we can really wait to see. Jiryu, now, it seems that she's behaving well. Jiangshu suddenly said, I just want to say that I will share the responsibility with you. I will stand with you instead of being someone else's queen. Oh, this girl, it turns out she pledged her loyalty to her. Well, looking at Jiryu, she keeps staring at Jiangshu. Probably she was thinking something. I have just made it very clear to you, right? I can give you what kind of relationship we want. If you want a partner, you can find someone else. Now, it makes sense. Jiryu, she seems to be getting angry. Well, suddenly, she looks really serious, even though she knows that Jiangshu is avoiding her. Well, we know that she has a plan for it. But Jiangshu, why must I be the pedantic family like mine that you despise the most? Well, she was thinking about it. After that conversation, it seems that Jiangshu really want to go away and wanting to leave her alone. Well, Jiryu, it seems that she looks really sad. Also, she take out something from herself. What do you think? What is it? It seems to be she is smelling it. Well, I think it was the belongings of Queen Jiangshu that she's been sniffing. So it turns out this girl, she is really tricky. The next few days, I don't even see Jiryu. She attended the court every day, review memories, and acted like a real emperor, but only I know that her heart is still fleeting. That's what Jiangshu said on herself until she can see Jiryu fussing on hers. He then generally just reveals that her scars, I shouldn't have been there to comfort her. But that night I just said that to her. It makes sense. She looks really sad now. Well, Jiangshu, she's still sulking and she was thinking about Jiryu. Little bit, I don't dare to see her, but still, she kept thinking about her. It seems that she's really missing her so much, even though she won't really deny it, but it seems that she really cares for her until Queen. My mother's gone. My mother's gone. What? Jiangshu. She seems to be agitated. Well, what's wrong? Sure you promised to take her of this matter. Could it be that she has been too sad recently and forgot about it? In short, I should ask Her Majesty his meetings with guests, but His Majesty says that if the Queen comes, she can come in at any time. Oh, it turns out she was given opportunity to take all in. The harem is not allowed to interfere in government affairs since he is in a meeting in guests. I'd better leave for now. Empress, you can stay. With Your Majesty is having a meeting with a foreign princess. She is interested in Your Majesty, the girl said to her. So it turns out the queen. It seems that Jiangshu, she is really getting jealous. Although the inferior court was at war with the Hu people, it had improved relations with the southern Yi people. I heard that the princess came here. Who would have thought that her target would be the emperor? Maybe it's because the royal family has no suitable marriage partners of the right age. Foreign princess disguised as the emperor. Well, she is not really bothered about this. It's very suitable for so. Well, Jiangshu, she was not really thinking hard. Well, this girl, she can be tricky. I didn't hear this news from anyone else. Maybe he overheard it in the imperial study. Come and tell me, are you trying to cling to the queen? Well, it seems that this girl, she might be in trouble for saying that the Queen Jiangshu at this moment, but let's see what's gonna happen. Yunich, do you know that leaking royal secrets will result in imprisonment in the Ministry of Punishment? Considering this is your first offense, I will not pursue this matter. Jiangshu said to her. You should know what happens. Well, Jiangshu, trying to remind her that it's also will given a punishment if she does this next time. I'm just a slave. I know, I was wrong. I will never do that such crazy thing again. The girl, she continued to make apologize to Jiangshu, but Jiangshu, of course, she really got forgiven until the day is passing through. In study room, it seems that it was a quiet place. Well, Jiryu, it seems that she was on the imperial study. Well, this girl, what suddenly she was here? It's like she was waiting for someone. Could it be that Jiangshu finally here and trying to said or ask something about her? Could it be that she can be victorious about asking her a question until she can see a foreign princess and said, I finally see the queen. This girl, she looks really beautiful, but also she looks really nice. But the princess said, Princess, you keep staring on Queen Jiangshu, and Jiangshu, Princess, is so polite. So it turns out she really want to know the prince that was arrived in this palace so she can know if the princess is threat to her. My queen sister, you're so beautiful. Just call me Mingwei. We are family from now on. But, Your Majesty, can you give me a definite answer as whether I can marry into Imperial Palace? The harem is not decided by me, but by the queen. Sunshine Princess time, Dark Puffy. Are they really that couple? Well, my queen, the princess is asking Queen Jiangshu this moment. What do you think? Hear you, rather than being jealous. Well, of course, she was putting her a signal. It seems that she's going to trick her. But Jiangshu, can you really fall for this? A good man, a princess said. What? I'm a part of your party. Well, the princess suddenly to them. But looking at Jiangshu, it seems to be she was not really falling for this trick. Well, I'm not jealous, Jiangshu said to all of them. Well, she know her place and limit. The fees between the two states is a matter of the harem is not allowed to interfere in government affairs. I'm not at mercy at your majesty, Jiangshu said to her, until the two of them become silent, no one speaking around. Jiangshu, she become quiet again, but Jiryu, she keeps staring on hers and said, does she really not care if I find another woman? Oh, she knows that Jiangshu was tricking her, that's why Jiryu, she's not falling for her trick. Well, suddenly, she was sitting on a chair and kept staring for the princess and Jiangshu. Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!